Good afternoon, this is Tawanda from Strata Real Estate. I'm here today at Peak Summit's headquarters to show you the show apartment for Orchard Place, a new development of 2 towers that's coming into JVC. So as you come in, you've got this lovely white gloss door. And as soon as you come in, you can see it's a very spacious area. To your left-hand side, you've got your guest washroom, fully equipped, fully fitted with nice niches in the wall, gold sanitary ware, which is by Suma Art of Living. Suspended toilet, extra storage under the sink, nice big mirror, and just a light wood finishing with extra storage on top there. Then you've got like your studio area here. Table goes on the left, living room right in front of you. Very spacious open plan layout. On the right hand side, you've got like a niche space there. Just put some decorative work. Fridge, freezer, everything's fitted. Bosch appliances. Got your oven integrated there. Very nice worktops, very nice quality. Nice Bosch fridge and freezer and stove. And a nice deep sink here as well. Plenty of storage even on top as well. And you get your paneling on the walls in the living room. It actually comes with this coving as well in the bottom. You'll have floor to ceiling windows. And then you come in towards the bedroom. This is your bedroom. Again, floor to ceiling windows you'll have. You've got your wardrobes, which are very nice wardrobes with some extra storage. And then you've got your master bathroom. Golden sanitary ware theme continues. Your bidet and toilet, as well as extra storage in your bathroom, even under the sink with the his and hers sink and mirror on the wall. So if you're interested in this project, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Tawanda from Strata Real Estate. The number is 0585 722 309. That's 0585 722 309. Thank you.